Good morning, everyone. So today's video is about matte versus matte. So I got the Kiara Sky Matte at one of my local nail, my nail supply store. We have several on in San Antonio, so there are a lot of nail supply stores. I kind of feel very blessed with that. I got the Kiara Sky Matte one at the nail supply store. And then I got Essie at Sally's, and I don't usually shop at Sally's because their pricing is a little up there whenever it comes to things, but this was actually on sale for I think it was $2.40, and so I snatched it up just to kind of see what the difference was. In my mind, the Kiara Sky would definitely be a higher quality brand because I see it everywhere in the nail world. But I was just kind of interested in seeing which two would, which one would make the cut. So I also wanted to make sure and doing it on just one brand of nail polish. So I went ahead and pulled out 2 brands of gel polish that I have. So I guess this is kind of like a polish versus polish too. The one that you see here is my Wanna Wine, and it's D&D 701. It is, I love D&D. I'm new to the nail tech world, so I'm kind of finding what works for me as I go along, as everybody does. The D&D is such a good quality. I can get away with literally one coat on many of their nail polishes and gel polishes. I mean, it is just astounding how thick and pigmented they are. And Star, go play. My cat is over here trying to talk to me. And then I did get the IBD, what is this? It's the IBD nail polish, and it is the black lava. Now, one thing I noticed on this one, get down and go, is that the black polish is very opaque. Like, you can see straight through it on one coat. I did kind of discover, because I had just bought this polish, with the black nail polish, it is super see-through, which you can see, like, you can literally see stuff behind it. It's crazy. It took a lot of layers to get that black solid. I mean, I would say 3 or 4 good solid thick layers to get that one solid, to where my D&D was just, I could have got away with 1 layer for the D&D, but of course, I wanted to have it nice and thick too. Now, if you haven't already, if you don't mind, go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That will give me the chance to show you new videos, and you'll be alerted for them. Okay, so as you see, I did get both of these painted. The black is still kind of see-through even after doing all of the layers. To where the Wanna Wine is super pigmented already. But we're just gonna roll with it because ain't nobody got all day to be doing that. So here we go. I'm gonna do 1 brand on each color, that way you can see the trueness of the matte on 2 different colors, and let's see what happens. So something I noticed with the Kiara Sky one is that it's like globby at the bottom of it. So when you saw, you could see the two little metal balls like going through it. It took me a lifetime to get it to kind of, I guess, incorporate all together. So that kind of makes me hesitant on it because I just didn't, I don't know. This is my first time working with matte, so it just kind of leaves me like, what? Why is it so thick? But yeah, so it was kind of weird. The other one, the Essie, just mixed right up perfectly. But the Kiara Sky still seemed like it was a little clumpy. It came out very smooth. It is definitely thicker than the Essie. So that was kind of interesting. You know, which I would expect thicker because it should be a better quality because it's a name brand that is like, you know, all over the nail supply stores that I go to. So I'm watching the magic happen, and it starts doing this. Like, see this, the kind of streakiness to it? But hey, I was gonna let it dry. Let's see what happens. Now the Essie one is already nice and matte. I'm pretty sure I could probably even do a second coat and it would be super matte. It's very equal and balanced throughout the entire nail of the matte. But the Kiara Skies, look at the white streaks. Those are crazy. Even right now, I still have these swatches on my desk and they still look exactly the same. Like, I'm not sure what caused it, but it does not, I don't know. Like, I'm kind of baffled by it. If any of you guys have experienced that, let me know and let me know what the potential cause is. I think I might do a round 2 video to see if, you know, and use regular nail polish instead of gel polish, because I do know that there is a matte gel polish, like a gel matte top coat. This is not a gel matte top coat. This is a regular nail polish top coat. It does not say whether it's limited to nail polish or gel polish. So I did use it on these, which these are both gel polishes. The Kiara Skies did not play well, while the Essie worked brilliantly. So this is our outcome for it. I'll put a link in the description box for kind of where I got everything. And, you know, tell me what you guys think about it whenever it comes to the gel polish versus the nail polish. And, you know, the brand Essie versus Kiara Sky. Well, guys, that was it for the video for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure and hit like and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye.